It's so common among Christians today. With my little knowledge of my counseling, child of God, according to the will come. Are you born again? Yes, I'm born again. Are you this? I'm this. By the time you begin to ask some questions, you discover that I'm not born again. There. A sister came. He was already in a man's house, and the man said, "I'm tired of you. Go." And he came and he said, "Disappointment." I said, "How did it happen? Is he born again?" He said, "He's born again." You go, "I'm born again." Now what happened? He said, "I should pack out of his house." You were in his house before. Where is he born again now? They say, "You want God to fight for you like that?" God did not fight for the unjust. That's why the Bible says the prayer of a sinner is an abomination unto the Lord. How can you call yourself a Christian? You still fornicate and you want to engage in fight with principalities and power and the rulers of darkness of this world? You will not succeed. It's not a cause, it's the reality. So it is hard time we withdraw from all those things and follow Christ. You want to fight a battle or fight a power, the power that have been fighting. They have fight our forefathers, our ancestors, they are still fighting. And you that want to fight, you don't know some scriptures in the Bible. Praise Master Jesus. I'm not hearing your MAGO. You might hate me now, but you will thank me later.